Jai Bole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual stuff that I do. You have to ask a question in your mind. I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. Along with it, I'm going to tell you where you are in your life right now, what changes are happening with you, and where are you going to be, and what are you going to achieve if you end up taking care of the changes that are happening and the miracle messages that is needed right now for your soul to hear. So let's begin. The three choices that we have are clear sphatic mala or rosary, rock lava rosary, and turquoise. These are your three choices. If you like to take a moment to choose, you can pause the video and select your choice of crystal. So let's begin. People who have chosen as their first choice the clear quartz sphatic as their choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind and your answer is, it started with a dirty card. I don't like this card ever, but your answer is coming a yes. I think you have been betrayed in the past, because of which you were feeling a lot burdened and you were thinking whether things will happen or not, whether you should be doing it or not. Maybe you were not sure what's going to happen, but finally, whatever you're asking, your answer is coming a yes, with so many doubts as well. Where you are in your life right now, there are two cards that have come for you: family changes and moving. Now these two cards represent that there are a lot of changes happening in the family right now. Maybe someone entering in your family, a new person, or something has changed, or you've shifted somewhere. And moving is also, I'm going to be talking together about these two cards. You might have taken a new place, you might have shifted, you might have redecorated, or done some changes in your house, or shifting of a new job, or leaving something behind. And family changes means a lot of things are happening in your family right now. Maybe the relationships, how things were, now things are kind of changing. As there's a lot of red and pink, it is sort of a happy change, but for a few of you it can also mean that some of you have left some people behind and moved on, or maybe shifted somewhere. So these are the changes that are happening right now. What is coming ahead for you, as in angel goddess messages? Purification. It is time for cleansing, detoxification of your mind and body. I think you've been ignoring a lot of your signs of your body or red flags of your body. You've been really not paying attention as to what you should be really concentrating on. You should be detoxifying yourself. You are what you are, you're good at what you're doing, but it's time to stop, take a break, and take care of yourself. This could also mean for a few of you out there, if you've been smoking too much, it's time to detoxify your lungs. If you've been drinking too much, it goes the same, give a break to your liver. And if you've not been really exercising or moving about, or not taking care of your health and ignoring few things, now is the time. You need to do some walks, join a gym, join something new which is going to help you detox your mind and body. Now mind and body means body, physical self, is all to do with how you eat, what you eat, and what kind of an exercises you're doing. And mind, for detoxifying your mind, you need to get out of your house, be in a place which is going to here there's a lot of water here, if you can see. Again, I always say, I'm recording this in Delhi, we don't have a water body here, so clearly you can probably install a aquarium in the northeast zone of your house, or you can just install a fountain. Just do something while bathing, chanting mantras. This is what is going to help you achieve a lot of things right now in life. Your miracle messages: I let my intimate relationships be my greatest learning devices for my spiritual growth and healing. Now, as you saw, there was this card was of family changes. Now this card also says that take care of your loved ones right now, because if you're thinking only by going to the temple and gurdwara and just chanting and lighting a jyot is going to help you heal, that's not going to heal. Healing is going to begin with the people whom you love, spending time with them, taking care of them, and then realizing what past mistakes you were doing or probably ignoring, or like I said, detoxifying yourself. Try to make others happy in your family as well. I'll let you have a read. I hope this reading made sense. That's it for the first group. Second group of people who have chosen rock lava rosary as their choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind, and your answer is a yes. You were disappointed probably, and you were kind of aggressive also as to where things were heading. You were feeling stuck, you're still feeling stuck, but finally you've been having a lot of courage, and probably it's a happy family time, or maybe it's a get together time. The answer is coming a yes. What are the changes that are happening right now in your life? Beautiful cards, finances and courage. I think the courage card had come in the tarot as well. The strength card, they're almost the same. So whatever you've gone through, you've had a lot of courage. Maybe you've gone out of the comfort zone, and I'm going to explain both cards together. All right, so as these are the changes happening, you've had a lot of courage in taking steps or decisions of your life, and don't look and don't talk and don't listen to someone who's not paying attention to you or does not mean that much to you, because you don't need to take their advices. Do what you can do and do what you have to do. Just listen to your gut and do whatever you're doing, because you're doing the right thing. And as far as this card is concerned, this is kind of you can say 80% it is a positive card. For a few of you watching this second group, finances is something that is going to happen, as in your finances are finally going to improve now. The bad side has already gone, the struggle has already gone. Now soon you're going to see that the finances are improving. And for a few of you, this could also mean that it's time to start saving. You have not been taking care of your finances. Now is the time to think where you have invested, where you should be investing. People who are signing contracts, you have to be very careful and read and be sure where you're signing in your contracts. Just be sure and do all of this, because finances is going to be playing a major role in your life. Let's see what are the blessings coming your head and what you're supposed to do. The goddess angels are trying to say you have to have focused intention. Keep your unwavering thoughts, feelings and actions focused on your target, and you will make your mark. It is one of the best cards trying to say that now you have to be very focused. This can also sort of relate to the courage card and the finance card, the both that have come here. If you can see, the colors are sort of the same. Now be very careful what you want in life. Sometimes they say that you have to be very careful of what you ask from God, because now things will materialize for you, because the sad or the bad times have gone back, they're behind you. So you have to be really utilizing your time well, because whatever you're going to focus on, you're going to end up achieving it. So simple as that. Be very focused on what you want, as whatever you're wanting will happen. Maybe things will not seem as if they're working out in your favor, but they will. Just have the courage, the patience to sail through. Your miracle message is, my eyes will see what I desire. That's so beautiful, and it's same as what your divine message is saying here. Whatever you're wanting right now, you will get it. Just be focused. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. That's it. Third group of people who have chosen turquoise as the choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind, and your answer is also a yes. You're worried about the finance somewhere. I see financial abundance. Maybe you will not like things how they were going, or maybe you will not like the amount you were wanting, but your hard work is going to pay off. Don't get confused. Whatever has happened for the good. What are the changes happening in your life right now? Sentimental feelings and relationship dynamics. Now I'm going to explain the cards all together. So I see maybe you have realized, or maybe you have come across something like an old album, or something like something that has reminded you of your past, something that has reminded you of how things were. And I would say don't pay attention too much, because think about it and just let it go. Don't dwell in the same energy, because some things are going to right now remind you of how things were. It could be a relationship, it could be the way you were as a person, the way you were in health, the way things were with you. You're going to get a little emotional. And relationship dynamics means a lot of people might come to know the realities of what whom meant what in your life. This could go for a few of you that you have left someone or someone has left you. Something with real facts that are happening in relationship, that is changes. It could be for the better or for the worse, that is for you to find out, but something like this is going to take place in your life. Let's see, the goddess angel message is sorceress. You are a magical person who can manifest and your clear intentions into reality. Now again, I would say you're a person who will get what they want. Just focus right. And if you have been living a very sedentary lifestyle and you've been indoors for a very long time, or you've been on your computer, or you've just been sitting at home, it's time to get out and get the best energies out of yourself. Try to be out in the moonlight. Try to soak up the sun in the early morning. It could be doing yoga, it could be doing walks, it could be doing simple chanting, it could be just simply meaning taking a shower early morning and changing your lifestyle. This card says you're a sorceress. What does a sorceress do? She does or he does what he or she wants to in order to achieve something. Now you have to make your body a little uncomfortable in order to achieve something. You can't just sit in your bed and think that you'll, is it raining? No, that you're going to lose weight. You have to get up, you have to get dressed, you have to do the things. So now is the time. If you want your body to give you the best results of what you're thinking, you need to get up now. What is your miracle message? To truly flourish is to release all the tension that holds me back from letting love pour through me. It is a beautiful message. If you really want to release all the stuff that has happened to you, I think, as you can see, I can relate this card to sentimental feelings somewhere and relationship dynamics. If certain things have happened in your life which are making you sad right now, it's time to release all the sadness in you. And the only way you can do it, I always say, is going out in the nature. And your card also suggests the same. I hope you guys are going to follow as the card suggests, as it's really going to help you achieve. It's not that you are not having that, you have it all. You just need to focus your intentions and your energies in the right place. I hope this reading helped. If it did, please do hit the like button. It really does help. And follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in. Till next time, I'll be coming soon with another video. Jai Bhole.